What's the best brand of alcohol you always look for and don't buy when the groceries run out of it? Okay. What the best brand of alcohol you always look for, don't buy. Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically, let me tell you one thing about this, understand about this question. Okay. So basically, this question is actually meant for US citizen, US people, US Europe people. Why? Because of that कि US और यूरोप में क्या होता है कि in that particular country you can get groceries and alcohol in the supermarket. Okay. इंडिया में we have kind of like a something like separate store. लाइक ग्रोसरी में हम किराना सामान मिलता है. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय वेजिटेबल आपको बाज़ार में जाना पड़ेगा. ओके. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय अल्कोहल सो आपको वाइन शॉप में जाना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ 3 डिफरेंट स्टोर फॉर गेटिंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स. बट यूएस यूरोप में क्या होता है, ग्रोसरीज मीन्स वेजिटेबल, देन साखर, किराना वगैरह जो भी, और अल्कोहल, ये सारी चीज़ें सुपरमार्केट में मिल जाती है. इंडिया में भी है बट स्टिल नॉट दैट. इंडिया में सुपरमार्केट में स्टिल वी डोंट रियली हैव दैट. नो, स्टिल लाइक हम भाजी पाला सब्जी अभी भी हम बाज़ार से लेके आते हैं. इन मेट्रो सिटी लाइक बॉम्बे और दिल्ली, वहाँ पे शायद कुछ जगह होते होंगे बट नॉट रियली दैट मच. ओके. तो क्वेश्चन इज़ अबाउट दैट कि अगर आप सुपरमार्केट गए to buy grocery and somehow you wanted to, you like, somehow you just find out that there is a alcohol brand. Okay. So which alcohol brand you always look for, means which alcohol brand you always like to drink. Okay. What exactly is this thing, what is exactly the alcohol brand that you like? Well, probably uh, in my entire lifetime I drink alcohol maybe less than 15 or 20 time. Okay. In my entire lifetime, like basically the first time I drink alcohol when I was 22. Okay, yeah. 22 now, 23, yeah. 23, yes, 23. The first time I drink alcohol at the age of 23. Okay. Since 23 to at this moment, like 30, in 7 years I drink maybe 20 times. Okay, yeah. 20 25 max to max. I'm not really sure about the exact number, but 20 to 25. Okay. Usually I didn't really drink that much alcohol. Okay. And most of the drink that I like, most of the alcohol that I drink is occasionally, like a new year, or kind of like a something really that key, all the friends are gathered so we could have that, or kind of like a bachelor party. So in that particular moment we actually, like, I usually drink alcohol. Okay. I never really drink alcohol by alone, by kind of like a stuff. No. And as also I didn't really like the alcohol that much either. All right. Yeah. So for me, I didn't really have that much knowledge about the alcohol. Knowledge means like that, like some people kind of like a categorize that what is actually whiskey, what is actually scotch, what is actually the kind of like a some, there are so many types of wines and alcohol and these and that. I I'm not really sure, like I might not know that what is exactly the alcohol. Like if I test the alcohol I might say this is kind of like a something really alcohol. But the professional alcohol, like a person who actually drink always, who always have kind of like a thing that he, what is actually his favorite. Just an example is that he, usually I like ice cream. Okay. And I usually prefer to get butterscotch ice cream, because I didn't really like chocolate, I didn't really like vanilla, I didn't really like kind of like some really other flavor. I usually like butterscotch, so always I take butterscotch. So how do I supposed to, like, how do I have this knowledge? Because of that, कि I actually consume all those ice creams and flavors. So that's why I am kind of like a completely concluded, like I was actually finalized myself that ki butterscotch is my kind of like a favorite ice cream. All right, yeah, but I won't be able to say that ki what is actually my favorite wine, because I haven't really drink that much alcohol. I'm not really sure what is actually the wine, what is actually the scotch, what is actually the whiskey, what is actually, I'm not really sure about that. Okay, yeah. So for me, I might not give about this answer. What is actually the best alcohol? Next question. Um, wait. There are so many answers, by the way. Okay, yeah. There are so many kind of like a, some really the AI generated answers. Okay, I have to talk about that. Whiskey. Did I drink whiskey? I am not really sure. Vodka, yeah, I drink vodka. Yes, it was really intense the first time I drink alcohol. Usually, I drink vodka. Okay, vodka. Then again, haven't really tried that. Rum, I haven't really tried that either. Tequila, still not. These are the brands. No, like I haven't really tried. There is only one thing that I would say is that vodka. Whiskey might be I drink, but I'm not really sure is that whiskey or something else. Yeah. Next question.